Good morning, YouTube. So I did something questionable. I don't know if you can see it. I removed the muffler. I don't know why. It was 2 bolts. I thought, why not, remove the muffler, see how she sounds. It's loud. It's very loud. Questionably loud. So we're gonna see. Oh yeah. She's loud. So, I hope you guys can hear me over this. We're gonna take her for a ride, but I mean, it's loud. At least from me standing by it. I haven't even walked away from it yet, but it's loud. My neighbors are all by the pool over there, so I'm gonna go to the left. Make sure navigation is working perfect. We're heading to Doba. It's loud. And we're off. Yeah, it's very loud. So you're probably wondering, why? I don't know. I have no clue why I removed the muffler, but I did. Science. So we removed the muffler and discovered that it's kind of loud. But what will happen if we buy one of those cheap ones? I'm gonna try to find one with a baffle on top of that, because I know if they just do those little ugly ones that are just a straight through, it's gonna be no different. MILF. At 75. So when you get off of it, it's normal. It's the slightest flick of throttle. Oh yes, we're getting a quick trip. Oh god, they're gonna put the other gas station, the local one, out of business. Oh, I love it. Come on, one of you guys have the right of way. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Holy shit. Woo! God damn. Yeah, it's kind of loud. I have my AirPods in and it's loud. So that kind of says something. Fitchburg things with my Fitchburg friends. We are going to Qdoba. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah, so I got a 7-minute drive to Qdoba. I thought, why not record the drive? I'm probably gonna put the muffler back on once I get home. It's kind of loud. It's actually very loud. Oh yeah. But it's fun to tinker with something like this, you know what I mean? You got your little 400cc bike, you're like, oh, don't mind the water spots. I forgot to move it into my parking garage, and then I got sprinkler juice all over the bike, so I gotta wash it. But yeah, it's loud. 6-gear pull. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we're supposed to turn here. Whee! 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 3, 2. Whee! I mean, the gear changes sound nice. CrossFit. Brakes! Sorry. Cruising in 5th gear, 38 miles an hour. Again, I have my AirPods in, my AirPod Pros. I got the noise canceling on. I am fucking chaos! I'm a public nuisance! Oh god, my neighbors are gonna want to bash my head into a fucking wall when I pull up to, when I leave work, if I kept this the way it is. Imagine leaving work at 10:30 p.m., leaving to work, and then coming back home at 6:50, 6:55. I am a fucking public nuisance. I deserve a fucking ticket for this shit. Mailman. Little iron 84 horsepower. Yeehaw! Ooh, doggy. Oh yeah, we're gonna make a left turn over here. Oh, that Honda Civic's beat the shit. Probably owned by a crackhead. Most likely. Support your local crackhead. When they're doing their little dance on the side of the street, give them a couple bucks. Tesla. Yeah. Oh yeah. Qdoba, Qdoba, where's my Qdoba? Yeah, I mean, it's loud. I didn't think it was gonna be this loud. I was gonna be quiet-ish or quieter-ish. I didn't. Yeah, God, it's loud. Oh, there's Qdoba. Downshift. 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 That's where I allegedly dumped the bike. It wasn't my fault. I missed Qdoba. So I like tried to bust a Yui, but there was gravel. And I wasn't well versed in the ways of gravel. Whee! Dip. Let's go around. I actually want to park in the shade. Because sometimes my bum gets really burnt when I like sit not in the shade. I always like these Ford Fusions, the titanium package with nice rims. Oh yeah. Wild fruits. Do you know that fruits grow in nature? Whoa! Cool, there's a fucking syringe. Nice. It's crackhead hour, baby. Yeah, I mean, wow. Oh yeah. Right. Give it a little wiggle wiggle. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, there's a fucking syringe right there. I fucking love it. Told you guys the local crackheads are around. Ooh, and a 4 Loko can. Yeah. That must be a fucking trip. Fucking annihilate a 4 Loko as you're fucking shooting up in your fucking left arm. And there's a ball up there. Inquisitive. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys what it sounded like. I'm probably going to put it back together when I get home. I might go get one of those little $100 ones with the baffle inside of it just to make sure. And if that sounds decent, I'll keep it on. I don't want to put one of those brand ones with one with an A.